go see Uncle Ty?
Hi, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Hi, buddy. Who is it? Uncle Ty.
Hi, buddy.
Yay. Yay, Uncle Ty. See?
Yeah, see, he likes me.
You like Uncle Ty? You like him? You like him?
No. Uh-oh, here it comes. Oh, yeah, no, come
Look, it's better already. Why are you so mean, Uncle Ty? That's not nice. He just prefers Aunt Leek. That was a pretty quick turn on and turn off of the tears. He's crying now. You made him feel bad. Oh, it's okay. Well, you made someone else feel bad. It's okay. Say sorry. 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 Say I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You can tell when people's sad, huh?
Oh yeah, he doesn't like people to be sad.
He didn't like that he hurt your feelings.